That girl?
Give me a break.
Got some shoulders on it, whatever it is. I think it's a catfish there. The way it's fighting and staying down.
A little bitty. A little bitty catfish. You biting?
He was.
It's amazing little fish like that can fight. Oh, you're going back home. We're gonna let you go. Fighter.
Ouch. Wrong species, guys.
Bye-bye.
All right, reel your fish in, baby.
He just got off. Look at him. He's looking at me.
Where's he at?
Look, he's looking at me like.
There he is, right behind the boat. Look at it. Look at it. He's still floating.
He's like, I got off.
Look at it.
He's like, well, maybe I wanted to get on the boat.
Just plow in the water with him, ain't you?
Sure.
Just keep doing what you're doing. Just keep it coming. Don't hesitate.
Well, then what are you saying? He's heavy. I think he's coming
Big.
with that.
Oh, he's pretty good sized crap.
Is he?
Yes, sir. Keep on reeling. Just go past me, okay? Don't get crazy with it.
Oh, he's big.
Keep on doing like you're doing.
Yeah, that's why it was so hard.
Ooh, that's nice.
Look at that.
Another nice one. Wow.
Mine bigger than yours?
No. They're about the same size. Swallow when I do hit it. All right, that's what we're looking for, y'all. Big, nice crack. Good job, Lisa.
You're welcome.
Tangling up the rods. Get your net, baby.
I'm gonna come on this side.
I don't know. Try to.
Really damn. There are fish in this way.
Wow, that fell down.
What was that?
I not fell down.
You that excited?
Watch out, it's gonna get us up.
Oh. That's part of what I use.
Right, yeah.
That was nice.
Another nice one. Yeah.
Well, that's dinner. There's a piece.
There's your net, baby.
Butterfly.
Really?
Yeah, take out a picture.
Alright guys, another one for the grease. Been catching a lot of daggum oak tassels all day long. Have to keep cleaning rods and throwing them.
I think I caught the biggest fish so far today.
I don't think so.
I did. We got it on tape.
I've been back here working. I've been constantly throwing them and cleaning. Baby, get your net.
Stop saying that.
Lisa, get your net.
Stop saying that.
Woo, he's a fighter. Look at him out there.
You're kind of exaggerating.
Look at him way back there. He was jumping.
He's
Look like a tarpon. You didn't think he looked like a tarpon, did you?
No, I didn't.
Man. They're biting now. I've been keeping them tassels off and things. Thank you, bud, thanks.
You're a one-man show.
Yep. Somebody's got to catch fish.
I did.
Where'd he go?
Is it a crappie?
I don't know what it is.
There he is.
Get closer to the side of the bank. Don't lose it.
Oh, that's a nice size one. Not as big as mine,
Baby, you've caught the smallest one so far.
but no, I haven't.
Well, you keep saying this is not big as yours. People's not going to believe that.
We got it on video. That's a big crappie.
Man. There he is again, fellas. I'm on them big time. You keep them crankbaits clean, you'll be able to catch fish like this. And I've been working hard for these fish. Okay, we're going to do that one last troll, y'all. We just picked up 3 nice fish right through here. I think that gives us 4 big crappie in the box. I'm going to do one last troll, and I'm going to show you what we're doing. We got the crankbaits pulled up, and we've been working our butts off trying to keep them clean. We don't know if all these oak tree little tassels, they're actually all on top of the water, and they'd ride in the line and getting hung on the crankbaits. And whenever you see the rods are not working, you know you got some grass or tassels on it. So, like I said, we've been cleaning and throwing in. Hopefully we'll reel in some more fish. But this is what we got going on. You can see we have crankbaits and a spider, and we throw them at different lengths behind the boat. And we got deep divers and shallow divers, and it seems to work. We've been doing it for a while now, and right now grass and trash and weeds on top of the lake is bothering us pretty bad. So let's give it one more troll, see what we can do, and we're heading to the house. Good gracious, look at that bitch. I'm doing it all too. Look at me.
Well, I'm
Look at
trying
me.
to help you,
Look at
but wow,
that. Look at that.
nice size fish.
Yeah, it is. That's what I do. Wow, he swallowed that thing. Look, he's got.
What do you need?